how can we solve waste, food waste, and how can we help people who are lacking food, and that's FoodCycle. I've been volunteering here not that long, a couple months, and it's amazing. It already feels like so friendly, almost like we're a family.
A couple of years ago, FoodCycle got in touch with us at Food Cardiff. We were able to link up FoodCycle with South Riverside Community Development Centre here, and everyone was really excited about the idea of community suppers happening weekly in Cardiff.
And what we do is, and I'm amazed, because if you go in the kitchen, you'll see people looking at food that they just received today, and they'll look, okay, what are we gonna make? And I can tell you, every meal that comes out of that kitchen is gourmet. And we'll even have like a menu. What is the entree, what is the main dish, and what is the dessert? To make it really special for the people who come to eat here, like they're at a restaurant. The table is set really nicely, napkins, water, flour on the tables. So there's a lot of respect and a lot of good food coming out of the kitchen.
I think there's a real opportunity for bonding through food, through a weekly meal that you can access, meet other people, enjoy good, nourishing, healthy food. And it's obviously a way for people who maybe are on a low income or don't have cooking facilities at home to also enjoy a hot meal that they might not otherwise get.
FoodCycle is great. We're all here for more or less the same reason. We want to help in some way for these issues. Lack of food, food poverty, and surplus food that would just go to waste. The people who come, they're just so warm and dignified and happy, and you get a real kind of fulfilling share between the people who come to be served by us and what we learn from them. It's just a really great overall experience.